Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Lasko tower fan not blowing the air in 2026. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to check is the power and the fan mode. So you need to first of all make sure that the fan is actually set to a working speed mode. You can increase the speed level and confirm that the fan is powered on properly. Sometimes it may be running on a very low settings. Now you need to also check the air vents and intake area. The dust buildup can block the airflow and reduce the performance. In that case, you need to use any kind of brush or compressor air in order to clean these vents. This is one of the most common causes of this particular problem. Afterwards, you need to listen closely to the fan. If you hear the motor but no airflow, that means that the internal fan blades may be stuck or not spinning properly. So in that case, you need to gently inspect and ensure nothing is blocking the movement. Now, if after following all of these steps, nothing is working for you, you can just simply do a reset. In this reset, you need to first of all turn off the unit and then simply unplug the fan from the power outlet. Afterwards, you just have to wait for at least 1 to 2 minutes and then restart it. This is going to help reset the internal system and it can also restore the proper airflow. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.